What's going on, everybody? This is Coach D coming at you. All right, today we're going to talk about, I'm going to give you guys my update on the Partner with Anthony program review. Okay, I did a couple of reviews in the past, but I want to give you guys an update on my progress and kind of go a little bit deeper into what the Partner with Anthony program is. And that way you'll know better, about what to expect now that I've been through the training and all that good stuff. I want to give you guys a better idea of what to expect. Now, real quick, first off, since I've been with the Partner with Anthony program, let me go ahead and show you guys my results. All right, and these are just results just from me kind of shooting it out to using email marketing mostly, a couple people from Facebook, but most of it was actually really super passive. So that's one of the things I really like about it. Doing email is really passive. All right, but let me go ahead and show you some of my results on that. All right, so far we're looking at about $700. That's pretty awesome considering if you take a look at some of these entries here, you'll see like there's some sales coming in, and I made like $3.50, and because Partner with Anthony is a low entry program, so it doesn't cost tons of money to get started. But I wanted you guys to see really quick, like I said, my updated progress. But don't worry, I want you guys to stick around to the end because I'm going to walk you through some things you get a better understanding, but also stick around because I do have some cool bonuses for you when you decide to pick this up through my link down below. All right, so now if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. All right, I am Coach D. I'm all about helping online marketers, network marketers, and affiliate marketers be able to kind of get their start, in the online game and start crushing it and making some extra income. All right, I do that by focusing on the mindset, marketing, and multiple streams of income. Those are the 3 M's of entrepreneurship that I am all about. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and dive into this, so stick around to the end because I got some cool bonuses for you. All right, now let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, now first let's talk a little bit about what is the Partner with Anthony program. All right, what it is absolutely, I would say, one of the best affiliate marketing for beginners, affiliate marketing training for beginners. All right, and once you sign up for the Partner with Anthony program, what you'll have access to is the training modules back here. All right, and it goes up to 30 days worth of training. All right, and let me just kind of show you some of the training that's in there. Like right from session 1, it starts showing you how to get everything set up so that you can be able to get commissions. All right, because inside of the Partner with Anthony program, the program itself is the training, right? And that has 2 price points. It has one if you want to do $7 a month, or it has another one if you want to just go ahead and get out the way and do the lifetime option of $97 one time. All right, so you see the price point is good for any budget, right? If you can afford $7 a month, or if you just want to pay $97 one time, then you'll be good to go as well. All right, so it's going to show you how to go ahead and set up your links inside of here, so that way when people decide they go ahead and buy Partner with Anthony, you also can get commissions on other tools in here. All right, now before you say like, oh well man, this is basically like another thing where I just promote the thing. No, the actual training that you get as you go through these modules, you're going to be getting things set up. You're going to be getting like your funnel set up, you're going to be getting your email set up, and you're actually going to learn some traffic strategies in here, some paid traffic strategies in here, so that way you can not only learn at first how to promote Partner with Anthony, but be able to use that same knowledge to promote any affiliate offers. Like if you want to start promoting affiliate offers on ClickBank, for example, or ClickBank offers, right? You would use this same training to be able to do that. So the way it's set up, like I said, it's in sessions 1 through 30, and what happens is after you finish a session, okay, it has a 24-hour cool off period. And basically what that is once you open session 1, like for example session 1, you watching that session, now the next session, in this case session 2, wouldn't actually open up for another 24 hours. All right, now before you say, well, oh my goodness, why? I want to hurry up and do all the training so I can get to the money, right? Well, guys, here's the deal. Here's some things that I want you to keep in mind. For one, you're actually going to be doing the process and implementing as you go as you go through the training, right, you're actually going to be getting started. So it is very possible there definitely have been members, myself included, who actually, you know, made commissions on products before they even finished the 30 sessions. So don't worry about that. The money will come, okay? But also think about this. All right, a lot of times when you get some training, because you're trying to learn some marketing, right? You get some training and all of the training is opened up, right? You wind up feeling like you're obligated, that you need to like binge watch everything, right? That causes stress. You know, when you're just sitting there watching like 20 videos back to back to back to back to back to back to back, right? Yeah, you see I had really accentuate that, right? But that really can cause stress. It can cause anxiety. You know, it just makes you feel like you're in a rushed mode. But I really like the idea that Anthony had here in the Partner with Anthony program of putting that 24-hour hold on it. So that way the next session will open up 24 hours, you know, after you finish that first session. All right, so that gives you some time in the event that it takes you a little bit longer to go through the modules in here, because you see like session 1 has 4 modules right here. So each session has different modules, right? So it's like, let's say if it takes you a little bit longer to go through these 4 sessions, you don't want to feel rushed, you know, to hurry up to session 2, right, when you still need time to go through these 4 modules that were in the previous session. All right, also think about it like this: not everybody is gonna you know get it or grasp it on the first time they watch something. So this allows you to be able to, you know, like I said, this for example is session 1. This would allow you to be able to, you know, go through the module 1, module 2, module 3, right? You say, you know what, I didn't quite grasp it, you know, so it allows you to be able to go over that module again, you know, just watch it. I mean, the modules aren't long, you know, but it allows you the time, right, and to take that pressure off, so you can just watch it again. You know, just watch it again, you know, before that next session actually opens up for you. All right, so that's actually a really cool feature. All right, now as you go through the Partner with Anthony program, okay, you will actually be setting up, remember I told you about how you can earn commissions, right? You know, as you decide to go out there and promote the Partner with Anthony training program, right? You're actually going to be setting up your links for different tools as you go through the Partner with Anthony program. Anthony is actually going to, you know, let you know what tools you need to run a successful online business. You know, for example, like ClickFunnels, for example, because that's the page builder they use for Partner with Anthony, right? Like GetResponse, you know, because you're going to need an autoresponder, you know, just some basic tools that you're going to need to run your business anyway, right? But the cool thing about it is that as you go through here, you will be able to become an affiliate for those tools, right? And plug your affiliate links in there. So what does that mean? Think about it. If you're plugging your affiliate links in here as you go, guess what that means? Once you get to the session that tells you to go ahead and it teaches you how to start getting some traffic for the first time and building that list, right? Guess what that means? If some of those people, or when some of those people that see your offer, right, that see your Partner with Anthony link, when they decide to click on that link and they're like, okay, cool, they're going to go through the same process as you did. They're going to sign up for the Partner with Anthony program with you. You get the credit, right? And as they go through and do the same thing that you did, they're gonna set up their ClickFunnels. They're gonna set up their GetResponse. They're gonna set these things up, right? And guess what? Remember I told you that you're actually putting your affiliate links in here? Guess what? Those people who came through your Partner with Anthony link, now they're going through your affiliate link for ClickFunnels, your affiliate link for GetResponse, your affiliate link for Build Redirects. So instead of you having to worry about trying to, you know, sell, you know, different tools, you know, individually, right? You know, you're able to rack up commissions because people actually need these tools, but do it without you having to do the personal selling, without you having to do the personal telling, right? I mean, how cool is that? And let me show you, like, just kind of give you an idea of, some of the things that I've earned commissions on, as as a result of the Partner with Anthony program. Let me go ahead and show you. All right, over here you see that this product here is actually the Partner with Anthony program itself. Okay, now the program itself it has a price point of $7 a month, right? Okay, or a person can get the lifetime, which is just $97 one time. They don't have to worry about any recurring billing or anything like that, right? Any monthly fees if they wanted to do the $97 one time. Now, what does that equate to over here? All right, check me out over here. You see right here, this is why you see I have a commission of $3.50, because you will be able to earn 50% commission. All right, so that way when someone decides to join Partner with Anthony program through your link, right, they pay their $7 a month, you'll get $3.50 of that. How cool is that? Then you'll see here that they also have the lifetime option as well, which you see that some people have taken advantage of the lifetime option, as well as this one right here was the lifetime option right here. So you see the lifetime option yields you a $48.50 commission. So yeah, you're definitely going to have people that go in and say, you know what, I'm deciding that I want to go ahead and get the lifetime and screw all the monthlies, right? So that's going to yield you a $48.50 commission. All right, and then there is an upsell in the funnel currently. Now I say currently because Anthony is always optimizing the funnel for his members, right? So currently, as of me recording this video, there is an upsell as well. All right, it is for a traffic boot camp. All right, and that one will yield you a commission of $49.50. Now that traffic boot camp, what that is additional traffic strategies to help you get off at a faster pace. Because it's like this, guys, the Partner with Anthony program is awesome, right? But if you want to really turbocharge your results, then that's where the upgrade comes in. It's a one-time situation as well, right? With the traffic boot camp, if you say, hey, you know what, I want to really turbocharge this and get it rocking, then you definitely want to take advantage of that. All right, like I said, it's going to give you some extra traffic strategies. Now I personally don't have this one, right, but I actually know how to get traffic. All right, I know how to get traffic, but this program is built for beginners in affiliate marketing. All right, so you don't already know how to get traffic, so I definitely would recommend go ahead and grab that traffic bootcamp. All right, but you see here, so these are commissions that you guys will have the ability to get as well, and this is just from the Partner with Anthony program itself. But remember, I told you that there are other affiliate links that you will be able to put in your affiliate link so that you get a commission. So let's go ahead and check that out. Here's another one over here. All right, and this product right here, I believe this one is Build Redirects. Okay, this one is Build Redirects. This Build Redirects is basically like similar to ClickMagick, but it does a little bit more. Honestly, it does a little bit more, right? with tracking and everything like that, and that's stuff that you're actually going to need, right? So with that being said, you'll be able to earn, once again, a 50% commission as well, right? So you can see here that there are some plans as low as $10, right? So you see here I got $5 commission right there, and then this one right here is a $10 commission right there. So that person decided to get a higher plan, and you see these commissions where it says recurring. That means the people have kept the product, they're using the product, they're loving the product, and that's why they continue to use the product, and that's how you get that recurring every month commission, right? As well as if it's the initial sale, that means when they originally signed up and got that product. Meanwhile, I didn't have to talk to anyone about Build Redirects, right? I didn't have to try and convince anyone to buy Build Redirects, right? It just happened as a person goes through the Partner with Anthony program. Like I said, they're going to be introduced to these tools. Anthony, the teacher, is going to tell them, basically explain to them how to use the tool and tell them why it's important and how it can actually help your business, right? So this is how you're going to be able to make commissions and not have to do all that personal selling. All right, which brings me to the next way that you can get paid. Once again, there's a tool that Anthony recommends inside, which is GetResponse. Now, that's an autoresponder. You need that to run your affiliate marketing business, right? But you're going to be able to earn commissions because you put your affiliate link. Now here what you see is I actually use this affiliate link for the bounty program, which is a little bit different than a regular affiliate link, but it's still free to get and GetResponse, and you could totally plug this link in there. But this one actually pays me $100 a person, right? I don't know about you, wouldn't you love to get paid $100 a person and you didn't have to do, the selling and telling? You were able to just plug right in, and you're already using the tool anyway. So what you see here is I have some I did have some free accounts, but they got turned over, which means they actually made their payment. So this is why I have some penny commissions here. So basically it's $200. That's letting you know that I have 2 penny commissions. And once again, I don't go out there asking people, hey, who wants to sign up to GetResponse, right? You know what I'm saying? It's because of the Partner with Anthony program, and it's a tool that a person needs. So you are going to have the ability to just, real passively make a couple extra $100, right? So we already saw that there was it was like $700 for the Partner with Anthony system, and that was just passively made, right? And then a couple $100 for GetResponse, and then build redirects about $70. So you talk about maybe about $1,000, give or take, just passively, like I said, because it is the tools that people need already inside of the Partner with Anthony program. So that's what you're going to be able to have access to as you go through the program. Now, don't worry if you're like, oh my gosh, I don't have, like ClickFunnels, or I don't have GetResponse, or you know what I mean? Don't worry about the tools that you don't have. There's totally free trials when you go ahead and grab them. I'll make sure I put the links down below for GetResponse. You can take a totally free trial for GetResponse, and you can take a totally free trial for ClickFunnels down below as well. So don't worry about that, okay? You can go ahead, take your free trials, and then go ahead and jump in and grab the Partner with Anthony program. That way you'll already be set. You'll be already rocking and rolling ahead of the game, because I know you want to get things popping off sooner rather than later, right? So you'll definitely want to go ahead and take your free trials on those, and the links down below. Now, just like I told you that I have a bonus for you, right? When you do decide to pick up the Partner with Anthony program with my link down below, okay, in addition to everything that you're going to get with the Partner with Anthony program, I'm also going to give you an additional training strategy on how you can actually, start accruing some leads on Facebook using organic traffic, meaning without doing paid traffic, so that way you actually can kind of mix up a little bit of both. Mix up some organic traffic, which means you're not paying for ads, and then mix up some of the paid traffic strategies that you learn inside of the Partner with Anthony program. So that way, like I said, you kind of mix the two. Partner with Anthony program shows you paid strategies, but with adding on my bonus training, kind of give you some strategies on how you can actually start getting some leads on Facebook. Now you got the free traffic and the paid traffic, and that means it's going to be some income for you. All right, so hopefully you found some value in this video. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you have, all right? And that bell next to it, ring that bell so you'll be notified next time I come out with some more content, because I'm bringing it to you guys every week. And don't forget, the very first link in the description, go ahead, rock out with the Partner with Anthony program, all right? Get on board. Like I said, it's only $7 a month or $97 one time, and be done with it, all right? And when you do, I'll make sure you have my contact details down below, so that way you can email me a copy of your receipt showing me that you bought it with my link. Absolutely. So I can get that bonus Facebook training out to you. All right, I can get that out to you, so that way you can be ready to rock and roll. And don't forget to go ahead and take your free trial for ClickFunnels and GetResponse. I'll drop those links down below so you can already be ready to hit the ground running, baby. All right, other than that, you already know this is Coach D, and what we gonna do, we gonna take this ride to the top. All right, and we out.